Today, worksheet 4, question number 5. The ratio of the radii of two cylinders is 2:3 and the ratio of their height is 5:3. Find the ratio of their curved surface areas. Two cylinders, radius R1 and R2, height H1 and H2, and their curved surface area S1 and S2. Given a ratio of their radii R1 is to R2, that is equal to 2:3, and the ratio of their height H1 is to S2 is equal to 5:3. To find the ratio of their curved surface areas S1 is to S2, how much? So we have curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH. Therefore, curved surface area of first cylinder S1 is equal to 2 pi R1 into H1, and curved surface area of second cylinder S2 is equal to 2 pi R2 into S2. Hence, S1 by S2 is equal to 2 pi R1 H1 by 2 pi R2 S2. 2 pi cancelled. So R1 H1 by R2 H2, R1 H1 by R2 H2, and it is written as R1 by R2 into H1 by H2. Putting value R1 by R2, it is given 2:3, and H1 by H2, it is given 5:3. So 2:3 into 5:3, that is equal to 10:9. S1 by S2 is equal to 10:9. Hence, ratio of their curved surface area is 10:9. Now, question number 6. The outer diameter of a gas cylinder is 20 centimeter. Find cost of painting its outer curved surface area at rupees 4 per centimeter square if height of cylinder is 70 centimeter. So here we have to paint its outer curved surface area. It is given diameter D of cylinder, that is equal to 20 centimeter. Hence, radius, the half of diameter, R is equal to 10 centimeter. Half of diameter, 10 centimeter. And height of cylinder, H is equal to 70 centimeter. Also, it is given rate of painting rupees 4 per centimeter square. The cost of painting how much? Now, area to paint, कितने एरिया को पेंट करना है? Area to paint, that is equal to curved surface area of cylinder. Curved surface area of cylinder, that is equal to 2 pi RH. Putting value, we get 2 into pi 22 by 7 into R 10 into H 70 centimeter square. That is equal to 4,400 centimeter square. Hence, cost of painting, that is equal to rate into area. Rate rupees 4 per centimeter square. Rupees 4 per centimeter square. So the cost is equal to rupees 4 into area 4,400. That is equal to rupees 17,600. Now, question number 7. A cylindrical vessel open at top has a radius 10 centimeter and height 14 centimeter. Find total surface area of vessel. A cylindrical vessel open at top. ये ऊपर जो है वह खुला हुआ है, नीचे बंद है, open at top के बंद. The radius and height of this cylinder is given. To find its total surface area, here given a radius R of cylinder, that is equal to 10 centimeter, and height H of cylinder is equal to 14 centimeter, and also cylinder is open at top. So therefore, total surface area that is equal to curved surface area plus area of base. Curved surface area plus area of base. Total surface area. Curved surface area 2 pi RH plus area of base pi r square. Taking pi r common, here remaining 2h plus taking pi r common, here remaining r. Putting value we get pi. It is given the value of pi is here 3.14. जब पाई का वैल्यू दिया रहे तो हम वही पुट कर सकते हैं. It is given pi 3.14, so 3.14 r 10 into 2 into h 2 into 14 plus r 4 centimeter square. 3.14 into 10, so 31.4 into 2 into 14, 28 plus 10, 38 centimeter square. That is equal to 31.4 into 38, so 1193.2 centimeter square. That is answer. Hence, thanks.